Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix this site can't be reached in Android. And there's another problem that this site can't be reached problem, and we can solve it in this video. So let's head over to our Google Chrome, and here you have to head over to the three vertical dots on the top right. Now go to settings, and from here go to privacy and security. Now go to delete browsing data. Now from here you have to clear your cookies and cache files. So you have to select it for all time and select your cookies and site data and cache images and files, and tap on delete data and tap on delete again, and your cache and cookies will be deleted. And once it is done, your problem may get solved, that this site can't be reached, this problem. And here now we have to then there's another way you can fix it if the problem still is on. Head over to the three dots icon on the top right. Now go to settings. In here go to privacy and security again, and here go to privacy guide. Now cross it, and you can also go to use secure DNS, and now click on choose another provider. Now click on change from customized to open DNS, and now you can just search it or get your problem fixed. And if this problem still persists, you can just head over to your Google Play Store and search for any VPN. Like the most used VPN is TurboVPN. You can install it and use it for your next work. And then there's another VPN you can try, like Thunder VPN and other VPNs. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can solve your this site can't be reached problem. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.